I am appealing to people, let us come together as one. Even it does not limit Ikwerre man. We should come together and support this movement. Keve lie, keve le rumowo, keve le unraha, keve le rumodogo, keve le emoha, keve le. We should come together. Anvo me hands me. Aveli jo. Avuma ele Bini. Aveli Yoruba. Keve le aye. And avuse eli Ikwerre. And eli Ikwerre vuse eli soma mako. So far I've been watching this. I've been watching you before you actually spoke with me online. You see, the Namen TV has been doing a lot. I'm a bit surprised that this medium is not being taken serious. I am going to appeal to those who know what it takes to bring a people together, to see how we can sponsor this movement. It's a movement, whether you like it or not. We have to sponsor it. So those that have what it takes, come in and see how you can sponsor it. A young man like this cannot be doing this thing alone. I have been very happy with him ever since. And if I have up to 1 billion naira, I will remove even 100 million naira to give to this man to do a better job.
Thank you.
So I am appealing to people, let us come together as one. Even it does not limit Ikwerre man. We should come together and support this movement. Keve lie, keve le rumowo, keve le unraha, keve le rumodogo, keve le emoha, keve le. We should come together. Anvo me hands me. Aveli jo. Avuma ele Bini. Aveli Yoruba. Keve le aye. And avuse eli Ikwerre. And eli Ikwerre vuse eli soma mako. There's some people some no eli soma vele vroma. Eli soma eli soma megwi. Eli soma megwi. Vebuge ndai. Neve bu. Have mesi veva oya. Me business. Ve laha. Ya have mesi. Never make when never make ele so answer my say can no ku amba na me heke. Thank you very much.
Ikwerre no make. Yeah, thank you. All right.